The Leica Q4 is here and already stirring buzz in the photography world. Leica is known for blending elegance with engineering, and the Q4 steps into the modern era without losing that classic charm. It keeps the clean, minimalist look fans love, but packs serious tech underneath, like a rumored 60 megapixel plus sensor and AI-assisted autofocus. Today, we're diving into what's new, what's rumored, and whether the Q4 lives up to the Leica name and price. To understand the Q4's appeal, look at the success of its predecessors. The Q2 and Q3 earned loyal fans by offering superb image quality in a compact, fixed-lens design. The Q3 stood out with its fast Summilux 28mm f1.7 lens, full-frame sensor, and tactile controls. The Q4 builds on this legacy, addressing past limitations like autofocus, screen articulation, and battery life. Leica stays focused on meaningful, real-world upgrades, and the Q4 adds a touch more ambition. One of the biggest talking points around the Leica Q4 is its new sensor. While official details are still under wraps, it's widely believed to feature a backside illuminated BSI CMOS sensor with a resolution north of 60 megapixels. That would be a massive leap from the Q3's 60 megapixel sensor, and one that puts the Q4 in direct competition with some medium format systems in terms of image detail. Paired with Leica's updated Maestro processor, we're looking at not just more pixels, but better pixels, faster readouts, improved dynamic range, and potentially new features like pixel shift for ultra-high resolution shots. There's also speculation about built-in AI noise reduction, which could preserve detail even at higher ISO. If all of this is true, the Q4 might just become the new gold standard for compact, full-frame image quality. Another rumored highlight is the autofocus system. While the Q series has never been known for blazing fast AF, the Q4 might finally change that narrative. Talk of AI-assisted subject tracking and enhanced face and eye detection is gaining traction. Imagine being able to trust your Leica to lock onto a subject, be it a street performer, a fleeting expression, or a fast-moving cyclist, with a kind of speed and accuracy we're used to seeing from Sony or Canon. For documentary and travel photographers, this could be a game changer. If Leica blends this tech with their signature shooting experience, manual control when you want it, automation when you need it, they might just hit the sweet spot between heritage and innovation. Leica's design philosophy has always been about simplicity, but that doesn't mean the Q4 skips on practical upgrades. Rumors point to a tilting touchscreen, finally, which would be a welcome addition for street shooters and vloggers alike. Improved battery life is also likely thanks to a more efficient processor and possibly a new battery type. USB-C fast charging is expected as standard, making recharging on the go a breeze. The 28mm f1.7 Summilux lens remains, but Leica may have tweaked the optics for sharper edges, better distortion control, and faster AF response. Throw in updated coatings and stabilization improvements, and the Q4 starts to feel less like a refresh and more like a reimagining. These small, thoughtful improvements could add up to a significantly better shooting experience. With an expected price between $5,500 and $6,000, the Q4 isn't for casual shooters. It's for photographers who know what they want. At this level, it competes with the Sony RX1, R2, and Fujifilm X106. But Leica isn't just about specs, it's about the experience. If the rumors hold true, the Q4 could be the perfect mix of tradition and innovation. It may be Leica's most capable compact yet. Let us know your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell.